What's up, guys? Looks like spring is finally here. The sun is shining. I managed to ride the bike yesterday. And I'm dropping the work van off now at my other shop for my security business. I gotta tell you guys, I absolutely love this little Nissan NV. I was really thinking about getting a pickup truck after the Suzuki finally goes, because I need something to haul stuff around up at the shop, the other shop, the bike shop. But this little thing, I'll tell you what, if you guys saw my video where we took the bikes on the work trip with us, we fit 2 bikes in the back of this thing. And it gets absolutely amazing gas mileage. But I'm gonna pick up the Suzuki, take that back to my house, and do an oil change at my house. But after the oil change, I think I'm gonna go up to the shop and get started on breaking down the KZ. I'll see you guys in the next clip, wherever we are. So guys, as I'm sitting here editing this video, I realized that I kind of screwed up. I left the external microphone setting on for when I have the camera on my helmet, and that means that there's no audio for any of these videos. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to stitch together a quick time lapse of tearing everything down, and then next video we'll go ahead and start prepping the frame for paint. I got a few more brackets I got to cut off and some welds to clean up, but this one will just be a quick time lapse of the teardown. So enjoy.